Today we want to talk about voice messaging procedures. Usually when we get traffic handling instruction, we focus on the radiogram form. Today we're not really interested in the radiogram form. We're interested in the voice procedures for properly transmitting messages in whatever format the message may happen to be. Whenever delivering a message, it is important to speak clearly and slowly. Pause between each word. You are transmitting a message, not having a conversation. For example, carefully pronounce each word and pause between them. Remember, the recipient is having to write down or type everything you speak. When encountering words that are hard to understand or easily confused with others, say the word, say I spell the word phonetically. For example, has 2 oranges. Has 2, I spell Tango, Whiskey, Oscar, oranges. Went to Cairo yesterday. Went to, I spell Tango, Oscar, Cairo, I spelled Charlie, Alpha, Romeo, Oscar, yesterday. It is often common on HF to hear cute phonetics. At one time, every large police department had its own phonetic alphabet. Some departments even retain the old phonetics even today, in spite of NIMS. Use the correct phonetic alphabet always. While you can often get away with other phonetics on good circuits or when there's little pressure, under pressure or poor conditions, non-standard phonetics can be very confusing. Habitually use the correct phonetics. Always use the correct phonetics because you want to develop the habit of using the International Radio Telephone Phonetic Alphabet. Originally, it was called the ICAO Phonetic Alphabet, and you'll often see that. And then it was called the NATO Phonetic Alphabet. But the International Radio Telephone Phonetic Alphabet, the ICAO Phonetic Alphabet, and the NATO Phonetic Alphabet are all the same. Always use the International Radio Telephone Phonetic Alphabet and speak each phonetic carefully. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie. Sometimes you'll hear people say Charlie, which is fine. But always use the correct phonetic alphabet. Cute phonetics only cause confusion. When sending a series of letters that are not a word, say letter group, then spell the group phonetically. Letter group Alpha, Romeo, Romeo, Lima. Letter group Delta, Hotel, Sierra. And of course everybody's favorite, letter group India, Romeo, Sierra. When sending an initial, say initial followed by the phonetic. James, initial Romeo, Smith. Similarly, with short abbreviations. Maine, initial Sierra Tango. Joseph, initial Echo, Bots, I spell Bravo, Oscar, Tango, Zulu, initials Juliet, Romeo. State abbreviations are always transmitted as initials. Chicago, initials India, Lima. Phoenix, initials Alpha, Zulu. Directions in street addresses are transmitted as direction. Figures 1, 2, 3, direction Whiskey, Oak, initials Sierra Tango. Numbers are preceded by the pro-word figures. He had figures 1, 7 apples. August, figures 7, figures 2, 0, 1, 7. When you have a combination of letters and numbers, say mixed group and use phonetics for the letters. Traffic will be transmitted over mixed group Mike Tango 6-3. Net will be held on reflector mixed group Romeo Echo Foxtrot 024 Charlie. The following is a recording of an on-the-air radiogram. There are a number of errors. Can you spot them?
Larry and John, I have 2 routines that's common for your station. Larry, how copy for traffic? readable right now, Joe, over. Roger, wait. John, how well is the copy, over?
Weak readable.
Alright, we'll see what happens. Town Parks follow routine. Hotel X-ray, Charlie. Kilo Delta 8, Tango, Tango, Echo. Check figures 24. Bexley, I spelled Bravo Echo X-ray, Lima Echo Yankee, Bexley, Ohio. Message date, August 13. Text as follows. Black Swan 17. One word. Black Swan 17. Intense operating period. October 7th and 8th. Initial X-ray. Advise me if you intend alternate operating period for set. I spell Sierra Echo Tango. But I spell Bravo Uniform Tango. But want exercise coordination. I say again, but want exercise coordination. Figures 73. Break. Signature is Matthew. Curtin. I spell Charlie Uniform Romeo Tango India November. Curtin. I spell Kilo 8. Correction, I spell Kilo date, Delta 8, Tango, Tango, Echo. Black Swan 17, Director. Anybody need any fills?
RCR.
Go ahead, John.
All before intense.
All before intent follows. Black Swan 17. I say again, Black Swan 17. Over.
Please spell word before 17.
Black Swan, I spell Bravo, Lima, Alpha, Charlie, Kilo, Sierra, Whiskey, Alpha, November. Black Swan. Over.
Please spell word before curtain.
In the signature?
Affirmative. First word of signature.
Matthew, I spell Mike Alpha, Tango, Tango, Hotel, Echo, Whiskey. Matthew. Over.
Roger.
Okay. John, a message to you is figures 1471. Over.
Roger 1471, WV at RCR. What you heard was book traffic. That means the same message is being sent to several stations. The message number, which would normally be the first thing transmitted, was sent last, once to each station receiving the message. Also notice that when you request fills, you do it by identifying the surrounding words, using word before, word after, all after, or all between. You heard, for example, word before curtain. You also heard all before intense. And it may have been a need to get something in the middle. You would say all between, and then mention the first and second words that you want to fill between. So to summarize, when sending any kind of message, speak slowly and distinctly. Spell any difficult words or words that might be easily confused. Always, always use correct phonetics and use proper pro words.